Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me and COUTURE. I wanted to pop on real quick and let you know that we are now coming to Canada. So for all of my Canadian friends, we are now coming to Canada. You'll be able to sign up for COUTURE in Canada. It's not just for the US anymore. Now, I've just got this laying in front of the screen just so that you can look at it while I talk. But I've had so many people from Canada, so many friends up there who have asked, why can I not sign up for COUTURE? Well, now you can. Starting tomorrow, I will have a link that I'll post up, and I'll probably pop back on and do a quick video that'll have that link in it as well. And all you will need is my customer number to sign up for my team, which my team is ultimately May's team because I'm signed up under her. So 10515, I'll put it on the screen, and then I'll also put it below in the comments, is my number. And you'll be able to get your starter kit, buy all the products, and the good part is anybody who lives in the United States who is with COUTURE cannot sell to Canada. So we cannot sell to Canada, so it is a wide open market for you guys. This is something that has been much needed, and we've had so many people who have asked about it. So make sure that you get in on the ground floor as soon as it pops over into Canada so that you can get started with your COUTURE business and selling to all your friends and that kind of thing. It is a wonderful company, fantastic company to work for, and like I said, we're getting in on the ground floor of this company. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And watch for my link. I'll pop on here tomorrow and put my link, and I'll also put it over on the social media sites as well. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.